It's like a horrible nightmare looking at this bullshit work.
Oh man.
What the heck?
That strainer was leaking, by the way. Reused old pipes. We already exceeded 360 turns, if you know what I mean.
What the fuck, number 2?
Back drain number 1. Wait for it. Back drain number 2. You can thank your local certified wannabe plumbers.
See that crap? That's work of a certified plumber, Jeanette. It's done all wrong. So, FYI, for all you home owners, home builders, or business owners, when a guy comes up and says, I'm a certified plumber or I'm a licensed plumber, ask for their credentials. Alright? So ask them if they have their license on hand. They should. Right there. This is a state issued license. Not from District 4, Navajo Nation, whatever. Those are, I call them wannabe plumbers. Ask for their credentials. They have a license on them, they're legit. If not, they say, I'm certified, my license is coming. You know they're bullshit. You know they're bullshit. So, FYI, people, always ask for their credentials if they have their license on hand. Plumbing license is like a driver's license. You have a driver's license to drive. Plumbing license, I have a license to plumb.